Abusia Sanso ewo Attention TV. Now Obekai say Ohemaa Mercy e grant interview bi anase oni kukuti e share o TV3 e kan semi mayenhwe akramra.
I'm divorced, yes. But this is the time I've seen the hand of God so strong on my life.
Ohemaa Mercy a ono oto nnwom pa e ka gospel musician wo ngosra no e wo hopa Ohemaa Mercy ye obi a wo kan bi osanso e de ne ho na beye last year middle of the month nim baby no Ohemaa Mercy be ka say Nyankopon e na kire ne say aware a wote ho anase ne kro no na wo ne ma no wonjai e ma ne ka say oja aware no na afedie we hu say nyame ngosra pa eye dwuma e wone so we eye Asamoah ya mame Asamoah ye evangelist Ohemaa Mercy wo bo wa why na kire wo sa wono e wo muso wonware ye de na nso asemu ya okan o ka kire wo se wonnim bible kitikiti anka waka bible anka warijai no nyame achiwade kase pa Nyankopon echi e wo bible ma enka mpo se Nyankopon se ye nja ware enti we wonye nyame nipa wo ye fake evangelist Asamoah watutu bia mane eye Ohemaa Mercy me enti omienu nyinamra.
Even more than when you were married.
Even more than. So I was actually depending on man.
So you had the confirmation from God,
of course,
that this is it and it's over.
And when I spoke to my partner too, he also understood that we have to do this and then pray and see what the Lord will do.
So you initiated the conversation of the divorce.
Of course.
What were your first few words? What did you say?
I really want us to have a break.
Okay.
And then I need to run with the ministry. And I know that is your passion for me.
Okay.
Let me run with it. Let's take care of the kids and help each other. If I'm going through something, we talk about it. Let's take care of the kids. And then I don't want to fail God. Because it's like I'm
failing God by staying in the marriage.
So I actually have to sit down with him, and then we had a cordial conversation. And for him, he's very, very mature.
So it's been very cordial.
Very, very up to now.
You guys speak every day.
We speak every day.
You're co-parenting.
Very, very.
Like you said in the beginning, there's so much that we need to talk about. I don't even know which one.
But I want to advise everyone. If you're a woman and you are going through divorce, your partner is not your enemy. Oh yes. Because of the kids, you have a covenant. So I actually have to allow God to lead me through this. So that it will be another phase for every woman to emulate. That if you are going through battles in your marriage and it comes to the point of you going through a divorce, understand that you can never be enemies. You have to help each other because of the kids.
It's not even profitable.
It's not. It's not.
Ntitro obi odi ntro bia ye bonsam mi wi amema ho quotation obi odi atro bia o ye bonsam nti wutia mi so obi amma usika wo yefunu nti se kwotwa atro to obi so wo koto a ba bia wutia ya waka bia san kofie na nya san ntro ekum sene adwaman antro kum sene adwaman Ananias ne Safaria o ma na free wo mo yam se papa yenya ye koton asase no de ye benya bia ya de baba be gumu na ase
ya japade
ya japade wonu na de mia ma japade na makoton na sa me say
me mfa mba
me yibia we kura de nyasa me yibi de atofie ne de ahwe hafa enka hu wuo ni say we de Peter kan was ade na umma kwan ma bonsam hye wakoma ma say betwa trotira hu nkonkron
na wu yibia be kan okore obai obetu Peter beka no kreso yakoton yeton ebia 20,000
ana da bia me ka kire Christopher say ade bia obebodin se me ya manyame no onyame large no o expand no onso oba kunafo ketua bia na kura na wode koma awurade no hwede awurade ma na yeye enti de wo bofore di ade ma awurade no kremu no hweye ba be yenyam dwuma ni ye ketua bi ye nidini wo baabia nanso ye de akoma ne ma awurade no ene wa ma ye kakraka ye gusu ye kakraka ni ye bekoso anso ye kakraka ebedru bre wo beka se enti me pa mini ode bre na ye ade sofo eno ani say mistakes no wo kwa nyina na wuyi emfa wadwene nye wa dia ma Peter ye mre wa fi ase no hello di ma o me de ne ko ye no ana hello di cat e kan say mo ko no akwa we ne ho onwanwa na de be ma mo nya no say ade bi e won ho bi a mo nya dai munyimfiri no ho ne mpabo na ye ni nyina so na wo ka ho asem ha na ye yi ne bet ne bona ye no kore no omu yi ana ne ntoma ne fra na ye gidie nkatabo eya tade gidie na ne se ne satade gidie nkatabo no gidie ntoma no so o ma ye yi firi ne ho enti bra nyame soma wo bofo ne se kwakwa yi Peter no okwa ye no hunu de oyeye ko Ephesians chapter Acts chapter 12 verse 81 no he ebra obofo no ko ya okoyi Peter no he de oka kire no
Acts chapter 12 mame free verse 7 number
what the accord yes so the free be free
Acts chapter 12 verse number 7 and behold an angel of the Lord stood next to him and a light shone in the cell. He struck Peter. Okay.
Then you fit.
Okay. Acts chapter number 12 verse 6 at the bottom. Now when Herod was about to bring him out on that very night, Peter was sleeping between two soldiers bound with two chains, and sentries before the door were guiding the prison. And behold, an angel of the Lord stood next to him, and a light shone in the cell. He struck Peter on the side, woke him, saying, "Get up quickly." And the chains fell off his hand. Verse 8.
Obono ma chain etigui. Found chain be egu yedi egu. Oba Yesu din na dia.
Jesus.
Oba bow ama chain nyina. Oba bow tamfo ni chain bia odi egu nsa. Na mu nyina betete. Yesuma wurade a onye nipa mu nyi mu. Eno aso de wakoma na wadwene be dai. Ebe ma no nanke yenso ye ne hwan. Ke ye ne hwan. Kayensu ye ne hwan.
Evangelist Dina Asamoah say ye mame Ohemaa Mercy wo bo wanyankopon enka hwenkyere wankasa wo agenda bia wankasa opese wo de wo nipa dua no eye dada saa na nipa no so bebre eka say wo de nipa dua no eye bibe mpo nansen eye gifti ose ebe video bi nkrofo tag you say eye wo na wo di say adwuma no message say wo de comment be ba attention TV na ya kama ekentwa makra